Okay, welcome. So there is an update for the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. The update is technically designed to fix or it is improving noise cancellation. It's also fixing any other extra bug on the earphone. It is really doing some good job. So this is the second firmware update for the Galaxy Buds Pro. It's a new, I will leave the code version in the description. It is not that big. It's 2.2 megabytes. Very quick to download. It's at least what they claim this update will do is to improve noise cancellation. It's like I said, it improves other stuff. Like it's improving the ambient sound feature. It's also improving the speed of switching stuff. It also improves the voice detection mode. It's really cool. The Galaxy Buds Pro priced at 199. It is really becoming a popular set from Samsung. I really think it's gonna be very big over time. That's if the sound quality is as good as some of these guys are hyping it. Hyping. If it's as good as they're hyping it, then it's certainly going to sell very well. It's coming with Bluetooth 5.0, ANC support, SBC. It's also like the battery on the case is very good. It's uh, it's uh, it's it really can last around 28 hours. The case, it's charged. It's you can charge it with USB-C. It's very fast, and you can actually use wireless charging as well on it because it works as well. So that is it. If you really want to get more news regarding this, and if there are new things I find out about, fixes, updates, and all that, I'll certainly bring it to you guys. So this is just a quick update for people that at least own it or already have pre-ordered it with the Samsung S21 lineup. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, do like our content, follow us on social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.